Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Hello and welcome back to the Urban Cook. Today what I'm going to be doing is a dish called Scouse. Basically it's a beef or lamb or both, beef and lamb stew with just potatoes, onion, carrots, some Worcestershire sauce, salt and pepper, beef or lamb stock cube and some butter beans. And obviously I've got lamb, which is on the bone. I'm going to debone it and get the lamb off, use half of this, and I'm going to save the other half for something else. But so that's what I'm going to do today. It's called Scouse. A lot of people would say it's from Liverpool, because Liverpudlians are called Scousers. So my dad was a Scouser, and my mum used to cook this all the time. So, but it doesn't come from Liverpool. Originally, it originated from like Norwegians who come over, like on the boats and everything. They used to have it. Blah 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 blah. History, and obviously now it's called Scouse. So, I'm going to get on. I'm going to cut all this up, and then we'll get started. So, see you soon. So this will be enough for this meal, and I'm going to finish off chopping that up. So we'll bring you back soon, and we'll carry on with the rest. So, into a small pan, a little bit of olive oil, get the heat on, our lamb, okay, so this is done enough. So we're not looking to cook it, we just want to get a bit of colour on it, so that's good enough. So we'll take that off the heat. get my wok, because I need a big pan. So this is going in. So got my wok, because it's a big pan. I've got the lid to fit this. So I've got the heat on. I'm going to transfer the meat into this one, and into this we're going to put our onions, and carrots and potatoes all over the side. Butter beans, about half a cup of water, a bit of Worcestershire sauce, pepper, a little bit of salt, beef stock cube, so we've got the lid on. We'll let that simmer away for 20 minutes, half hour, come back and check it, give it a little stir and make sure it's simmering down nicely and make sure it ain't burning to the bottom. So we'll come back then. See you soon. Okay, so we're back. This has been about around about 2 hours, just simmering away. Be coming back, checking it, adding some water. So it's been going lovely now. It's not caught at the bottom, so that's good. So you just have to keep checking it. Yeah, it's lovely. Some like it watery, but this is cooked so lovely. It's everything's so tender, and the meat and the carrots and the onions and the butter beans and all that good stuff. And so yeah, so we'll have a little dish up and we'll be right back. See you soon. Cheers. So, there you go, Scouse. With just lamb, potatoes, carrots, onions, butter beans, some Worcestershire sauce, some ground black pepper, some salt, a little beef stock cube, beef or lamb, it's up to you. You can either have it, I like it like this. This reminds me of my mum's one, the way she done it, with the butter beans and all that good stuff. I put a little bit of parsley on top. It's up to you, but this is going to be really tasty. I know it is, and I've already tasted the juice. So thank you very much for following me. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. And I'll see you soon. Cheers, thank you, bye bye.